The National Electrical Code, or NEC, and most other electrical codes prohibit the use of drop cords as a permanent wiring method. Drop cords are considered temporary wiring and are not suitable for long-term use in commercial or industrial settings. There are several reasons for this prohibition. Firstly, safety hazard. Drop cords can become tangled, creating a trip hazard. They can also be damaged or overloaded, leading to electrical fires. Secondly, inefficient and unsightly. Drop cords are not as efficient as fixed wiring and can create a cluttered and unprofessional appearance. Thirdly, not suitable for industrial environments. Sheltered workshops are often industrial environments that require more robust and durable wiring solutions. Instead of using drop cords, consider the following alternatives. 1. Conduit or raceway. Install electrical conduits or raceways to run wiring securely and neatly throughout the workshop. 2. Surface-mounted wiring. Use surface-mounted electrical boxes and conduit to route wiring along walls and ceilings. 3. Ceiling-mounted lighting fixtures. Install ceiling-mounted lighting fixtures with built-in electrical connections. 4. Flexible cord with support. If necessary, use flexible cord with proper support and strain relief instead of drop cords. By following these alternatives, it can be ensured that the new building is code compliant and provides a safe and efficient electrical environment for the sheltered workshop. Always consult with a licensed electrician to ensure proper installation and compliance with applicable codes.